Alright guys, so let's check out the room. Got this card over here, Ritz-Carlton. And let's take a look. So I've had already my bags. And they have a nice mirror over here. Full body, which I really appreciate. And it is actually a lot more spacious. This is actually a standard room. A lot bigger than what I had thought. And over here, so over here to our right is the bathroom. Very nice, very impressed. Very clean. It has a bathtub, shower head, very spa-like aesthetic. And let's take, oh wow, this was, very nice. It's the bathroom. Is it Toto? It is not a Toto, but that's okay. Bathrobe. Let's see. Very nice. So for Anime Expo, they did cut off the entrance to the Ritz-Carlton for some reason. So I had to enter through the JW Marriott, but they were more than happy to escort me upstairs and through the check-in process. Was pretty seamless, straightforward. I did get, oh, another mirror. Wow. I did get the early check-in. So right now it's like 10:30 a.m. We're at the 23rd floor. Here we got a coffee bar, some cabinets, huge king-size bed with looks like lighting underneath. That's very posh, and it feels very quaint. It feels very relaxed. Also grandeur, very high ceilings. I think these are like 9-foot or 10-foot ceilings. You got nice fixtures of lighting, piano black. Wow, it just makes, the room is already big, but the way they set it up with the mirrors and piano black furnishings really adds to the aesthetic. Okay, let's see here. Got a little chair here, table. And we're here at Anime Expo. It already started about an hour ago, but I usually don't go until 1 or 2 p.m. This will be my 5th time here. Oh my god, this place has so many mirrors. This is a huge, wow. Very nice design right here. I don't know if y'all could see this, but very gorgeous, and it is backlit as well. This is a fantastic room. Already I could tell that I'll be coming back here. I've had previous experiences at the Intercontinental, which was pretty good, first time in LA. And then I had experiences at the Westin. It was a bit dated for me. Let's check out memory foam or memory. Well, only way to, let's check it out. Oh, wow. After a long 6-hour flight coming from JFK, New York City, I'll tell you, this feels nice. Might even pass out. Wow. It just kind of swallows you. It literally swallows you into the bed. I'll say, for the price you pay, and I got a pretty good deal with Anime Expo, so thank goodness for that. But imagine regular folks paying like $1,000 a night for this, which is pretty standard. And this is just a regular room, mind you. The suites go up to $2,000 to $3,000 easily, especially for an event like this. But yeah, I am here for 3 nights. As usual, let's check out the view also. All right, wow, smack that in the center. JW Marriott sign. Let's check it out. Wow, you got a direct view of the pool. Okay. And it is open, I think, pretty late. No one's there. I guess everyone's at Anime Expo. And this is the LA Live area. What are they getting in line for over here? Hi, to enter. Yeah, it's way too early. It's like way too early. American Express, got the Hello Kitty or the giant balloons, got the crypto arena, and yeah, I'd say, Intercontinental had a better view because I was just way up high. JW Marriott, was a little bit lower, and right now we're at the Ritz-Carlton, which is technically above the JW Marriott. So I get, the views, I'd say obviously it's better than the JW Marriott view because we're higher up by default. But Intercontinental Hotel, despite all its shortcomings, was, I'd say a better view because you could see like the Hollywood sign, and it is basically the Wilshire Grand is the tallest building in Los Angeles, California. So there's that. So yeah, I'm gonna remake this video in a horizontal pattern, but this is just a short. So more videos to come. I'll see you guys inside Anime Expo. Take care.